Stuck in a rut with no clue how to break free? Meet the remote tester who transformed their life from zero to hero. Want to know their secret? It all started with a single step, enrolling in an online course. From there, it was countless hours of learning, practicing, and failing. Yes, failing, because each failure was a step closer to success. But what made stand out? Persistence, dedication, and a sprinkle of something special. Networked online, joined forums, attended virtual meetups, and sought out mentors. They asked questions, got guidance, and applied feedback. And then, the moment of truth. An opportunity appeared, a remote job opening. Did hesitate? Not for a second. Guess what? Aced it. Today they work remotely, testing cutting-edge applications from the comfort of their home. A beginner no more, but a pro in their field. Your journey could be just like. All it takes is that first step. Ready to start your success story? Feeling inspired? Drop a comment below with your goals and let's start this journey together. #success story, #from novice to pro, #remote job, #inspiration. Kindly like, share, subscribe and comment.